Most people think January is too early to plant, but this month can decide how strong your harvest will be this year. Today, I'll show you the best crops you can plant in January, even if you're a complete beginner. Peace be upon you, and welcome to HoneyBloom. Here we grow with care, patience, and respect for the land. January may look quiet, but for gardeners, it is one of the most powerful months to begin. During this time, the soil is cooler, pests are fewer, and plants focus on building strong roots instead of fast leaves. That means healthier plants, better flavor, and fewer problems later in the season. But only if you plant the right crops. Let's start with garlic. Garlic loves cool weather. Plant it now and it will grow slowly and strongly underground. Plant individual cloves with the pointed side facing up, about a finger deep into the soil. The longer garlic stays in the ground, the better the final harvest will be. Next is onions. Onions are perfect for January, especially green onions. You can grow them from seeds or small bulbs. They need sunlight, but not heat, and they are very forgiving for beginners. Now let's talk about leafy greens. Lettuce and spinach are some of the easiest crops you can grow. They grow fast, don't need deep soil, and you can harvest them multiple times. If you want quick results, these are a great place to start. Peas and fava beans are also excellent choices. They are cold-tolerant, low maintenance, and they actually help improve your soil. They grow quietly in winter while other plants are resting. Root vegetables do very well in January too. Carrots and radishes love cool, loose soil. Water them lightly, be patient, and remember that what you don't see above ground is growing beautifully underneath. Some herbs also prefer cooler weather. Parsley and cilantro grow well in January. They grow slowly, but their flavor is richer and stronger. Now, an important warning. January is not the time to plant summer crops. Do not plant tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, or melons yet. Planting them now will only waste seeds and effort. One of the biggest mistakes in winter gardening is overwatering. Cold soil holds moisture longer. Water less, check the soil first, and let rain do most of the work when possible. Gardening is not about rushing results. It is about patience, consistency, and care. When we respect the process, the land gives back. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to HoneyBloom. We share simple, honest gardening knowledge to help you grow your own food naturally. Thank you for watching. May your soil be fertile and your harvest full.